Hello, beautiful people. The month of May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and we are doing a self-care series. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this makeup look of the day. What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Shakera, and I'm back at it with another video. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here for a while, and if you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the family too, and like this video, hit that notification bell so you never miss when I upload. I'm Shakera, the mother behind Life is So Sincere, and I help women gain the confidence to walk in their why, plus embody a sincere relationship with God. So today we are going to be doing our makeup. Get your supplies, get ready, because it's going to be fun. So first, as you can see, I went in with my NYX Studio Perfect primer to moisturize my face and just get in there, because on this day I did plan to take pictures in front of the camera, and it's great for if you want your makeup to last all day. Next, I'm going to take this Pro Concealer to color correct some dark spots. And as you can see, I do have freckles, so those areas I don't really need to focus on, mainly just the darker spots and obviously those hairs under my eyebrows. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into my skin. You see that I'm using my finger here. When I do other people's makeup, obviously I would not be using my finger because it's not very sanitary. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Studio Fix MAC foundation, and I like to put it on like the points of my face, and then I'll blend that in. Use whatever foundation you have available to you. It does not have to be MAC or from Sephora. Like, you can find good foundation at your local drugstore or beauty supply store as well. Just make sure it matches your skin tone. And I would like to go ahead and point out that we are still quarantined, so my eyebrows look hideous. So I did use the concealer color correct to try to hide those hairs. And as you can see, I'm taking the foundation and trying to hide those as well. Typically, I'll go in and do my eyebrows first, but I needed to hide those hairs as much as possible. So that's what I'm doing. And right here is the most important step of them all. You need to blend, honey. Make sure you blend that foundation into your skin. Do not be out here looking like Ghostface, okay? Yes, it takes all of that. Make sure you blend. Get that neck. You want your face to blend in with your neck, okay? Now, let's go ahead and wipe off the eyebrows. Some of that foundation is there, and you're just gonna brush them in the directions that your eyebrows flow. Now, here is the second most important step. When you are filling your eyebrows, sis, listen, do not start at the point of where your eyebrow is. You need to come over a little bit and begin to fill in your eyebrow, okay? You are going to draw a line to follow your shape, your arch of your eyebrow. And then you'll take the spoolie to blend it in, and it'll look more natural and not so harsh. Now I like to go ahead and give my first shout out of the day to my husband over at Rap Life Music, Sports, and Health, where he shares others who are rising above poverty. Make sure you check out his channel, subscribe to it, and hit that notification bell. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer. It is the Toffee color, and this is where you are going to clean up your eyebrows. You want to do the same thing. Don't start at the very tip. You want to start kind of over, and then you'll drag the excess to blend it in. And you want to blend this, okay? Because you don't want to have the highlighter eyebrows. Same thing that you do to the bottom, you're gonna go ahead and do to the top and just repeat on the other side. All right, sis, how you feeling? Checking in what those brows looking like. Now we are going to conceal our dark spots under our eyes and in the core of our face. I did learn in makeup school that you are supposed to do this before you do your foundation, but in today's time, like, you can do it either way. You just have to make sure you do it correctly. So go ahead and conceal your face, and then you want to blend. You see a trend here. Everything about makeup is blending. You have to make sure you do that in order for your makeup to flow very nice and natural. Sis, I'm serious. You better still be over there blending. Blend till you can't anymore. I don't want you looking crazy out here. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is probably the longest part of the makeup process, but it's so worth it because the point of the concealer is to highlight those areas of your face when you're taking your pictures. All right, you did not do all of that blending for no reason. Now we're going to take our setting powder and we're going to set the concealer. This helps so that your concealer is not creasing and it stays put in place. Okay, so we're going to use my Juvia's palette to go ahead and put a tad bit of eyeshadow on. I don't typically wear eyeshadow on an everyday basis, so this is going to be like a very natural blended look. You want to take the darker color and go in first, and you want to also blend. Remember, whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. And like I said, I don't do eyeshadow every day, so I just wanted to do like a little sparkly. Now we come in with the sparkly on top of the darker color, and you do that on your eyelid. And like I said, that just kind of gives me like a natural glow. Popping! right, beautiful people, so now we are going to go ahead and brush the setting powder off. You want to brush away from your face, you know, you want to kind of blend it into your skin, but brushing away. And now I'm just taking my powdered foundation and I'm kind of going all over my face just to make sure everything is set in and it blends with my skin tone. Don't forget that next, sis. Don't forget it. You don't want to be out here two-tone. Now we are going to take our Maybelline setting spray and spray it all over because obviously you want your makeup to stay set in place all day. And then we move on to the eyelashes. So I like to put mascara on my eyelashes before applying them, and you can use any type of mascara. This is nothing special. I grabbed it at my local beauty supply store. All right, y'all, bear with me here. I was struggling to do my lashes on camera. So you're gonna apply your false lash to your eyelash. You want to kind of start in the center and then press down on each end. And as you can see, I used the tweezers for the first eye, and child, the second one, I just said forget it, and I did it with my finger. It's easier for me to use tweezers on other people. I can't really do that on myself all the time. And then just apply some mascara to your bottom lashes and boom, your eyes are popping. And then finally, I like to come in with my highlight and my blush. As you can see, I'll put it to my tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and on my cheekbones. And I like to highlight underneath my eyebrow, but I don't know why I did this typically on this one with my eyebrows looking the way they do, but it didn't come out too bad. So hey, choose to do that if you want. It's not a requirement. Last but not least would be your lip of choice. For this particular day and video, I chose to just do a lip gloss. So I went in with my liner on my lips and then applied a clear lip gloss. And anytime I do a lipstick, I definitely like to use a liner as well. Not all people choose to do so, so it's your preference.
What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh damn. Okay,
my beautiful people, this is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that it was super helpful for you. I want you to understand that it is going to take time. Don't expect great results on the first try or even the second or third. This has been a journey for me. I started trying to do my makeup 5 years ago, and I went to makeup school, and I am perfecting my craft as I go. So continue to practice, and remember, anything that you want in life is going to require practice. Utilize your muscles. That consistency is a muscle that requires your dedication and hard work. So you owe it to yourself to invest in yourself. And if you truly love something, not even just makeup, do not give up on it. Keep going, keep striving, and I'm rooting for you. Until next time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye.